Alright, gonna cut the lawn. It's a little windy, but it's beautiful. Every day is beautiful. This little bad boy, which is a spark plug, decided it wanted to explode out the front of the lawnmower after it hit a rock. This guy. Wah, wah, wah. Rural area, we're thinking, heck, we'll support the local community and buy from the guy who sells the stuff on the side of the road in front of his house. He fixes them. He's a small engine repair dude. There's a bunch of lawnmowers out there and there's a bunch of weed eaters. I'm thinking, this guy's a terrible salesman, but probably knows how to fix the engine. Let's replace it. Well, isn't that special? Bloop. Bloop. We're gonna need a tool to tighten it down. Hopefully this one works. Do. None of my tools are good. Most of my stuff is a giant piece of crap. Alright, let's try this bad boy again. There we go. Man, this needed to happen so badly. Like, the stories are just endless with the electronics and the stuff that I touch. When I touch it, much like this lawnmower here, if I do anything else with it, it's gonna break. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. And this has been the nature of the beast thus far. It's alive! Alright, not gonna lie, that worked out pretty well. I went on Amazon, I plugged in Briggs & Stratton lawnmower spark plug and ordered the one that was $2. Every single thing that I've learned, I'll be able to pass on. I can help somebody else with that information. It's something where even if I'm not giving you the how to do it, I'm showing you that it can be done from a simpleton. See how I rhymed that? I'm so educated, it's insane! YouTube University. What we're gonna do is cut the lawn, get the all cleaned up. Goal is to give you the tour from where we came in. Every aspect of that broken lawnmower being the bane of my existence for almost 12 and a half months since the last cut needed to be done last season, and really had to address the longevity of laziness that accompanies rural areas sometimes. It's fun. It's fun. I've learned all along the way. Just move. You just gotta move. Just move. Just move.